Hello everyone, welcome to Roni Tuitions Maths as Fun. Today we are going to learn the real numbers as we little knowledge have about the previous classes about the real number. What are the real number? Real numbers are those number that is combination of two numbers which are the rational number and irrational number. Both. If both are combined, then it is called the real number. Already you learned some concepts and some exercises in the previous classes in that 9th standard about the real number. Now we are going to take the here SLC 10th standard, that is the real number. How to find the factorization, what is the fundamental arithmetic theorem, and how to prove that it is a irrational number. Now first one, exercise here, directly exercise 1.1 in that NCERT textbook, 10th standard. First main it is asked that question, write that express each of the number as a product of the prime numbers. Product of the prime number. So first of all we have to learn that what are the prime number. Prime number are those number which are has only two factor, only two factor, one and itself. Means has two factor that one and itself that are called the prime number. And here the smallest prime number is 2, then 3, then 5, then 7. 9 is not the prime number, it is a composite number. Why? Because of it can come in the one table also, it can divisible by 1, it can divisible by the 3, it can divisible by the 9. So it has the more than two factor. So it is a composite number. So next 11, like that, so on. These are the prime numbers. If you want to learn more about the prime numbers, just go to my another YouTube channel, that is the Roni Tuitions only and competition exams. It will be detailed study about them, how we can find the how many prime numbers are there, which are the prime number, what are the divisibility tests, like that, all things will come in that. So you can visit to my another channel, that is called the Roni Tuitions competition exams. In that it will come. So here first question given, the product of prime factors. Product of prime factor, prime numbers. 140 it is given. Now 140 it is a composite number and it is the even number because of it ends with the 0. So it is divisible by the 2. If you don't know which number are divisible by the what, which are the divisibility test, please my previous one video is there, that is the only the divisibility test. In that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, up to that with divisibility test the rules are given. So this is the 140 divided by 2, it will go to the 70. Again 70 can divide by the 2 because of it is even number, can come by the 2 table. So we can write here the 35, then we can write the 35 comes in the 5 table, then it comes the 7 and 7, then it comes 1. We can write 140 in the prime factor product of that 2 into 2, this 2 into 5 into 7, and then we can write it to the power 2 into 5 the power 1 into 7 the power 1. One writing then also okay, not writing then also okay. So the 140 we can write in the prime factor or prime product number is the 2 into 2 into 5 into 7 to the power 2 into 5 the power 1 into 7 the power 1. Power not writing then also no problem. Why? Because of any number has the power 1 is the number is the itself only. So no problem in that. So in that type the question in the board exam they will asking first of that, write this number as a prime number products. Another one they will ask like this, to the power x into 5 into 7. So what is, find the value of the x if it is the equal to 40. Find the value of x. So here that to the power 2 that means to the x is equal to 2. They can ask that if the to the power 2 into 5 into x, then what is the value of the x if it is is equal to 140. So like that one questions will ask it in the exam. So it is the first one question in the textbook of CBSE is and NCERT textbook. Now question number 2 in that first main question number 2 it is written 156. As you know this is also even number, so it is also divisible by the 2. So we can write it here 7 and 8, 78. Again we can divide it by those. If you are not getting how it is, so you can do it like this. 156 divided by the 2. 2 7s are 14. Then 1, drop down the 6. 2 8s are 16. Like this. This 78 I am writing here. Again 2. So again 78 divided by the 2. Then it will come the 2. Then 2 3s are 6. 1. Then 8. 2 9s are 18. Like that. So 39 will come. Again 39 comes in the 3 table because of it is 3 to 13, and this is the 13 is the prime number, so that we can write here 13 and 1. The product of 156 is the number we can write in this way. 156 is equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 13. Now we can write in this way. 2 came 2 times, so 2 the power 2 into 3 the power 1 into 13 the power 1. Like that. This can be written 1 not required because of any number has power 1, it comes only same number. So next number, third question it is given like this. First main third question it is given 3825. 3800. So this is ends with the 5. This number ends with the 5. So you know the number which are ends with the 5, 0 or 5. 0 or 5 comes, that number surely divisible by the 5 only. In the result first, here we can see that 3 number 3 plus 8 11, 11 plus 7 it is become the 18. So this number can divisible by the 3 also. What is the rule for the divisibility of 3? The number, if the sum of the digits of the number are the multiple or divisible by the 3, then that number is divisible by the 3. See, 3 plus 8 plus 2 plus 7. So if we are adding it, it 11, 11 plus 2, 13 plus 7, 11, 11 plus 2 is equal to 13. 13 plus 7 is equal to become the 20. It is not come the 3 table. So this number not divisible by the 3 like this. So it is divisible by the 5. So we divide it by 5. 5 7s are 35. 3 remainder. 32 become 5 6 are 30. 2 remaining 5. Again it ends with the 5. Again we can write by the 5 only. So 5 1s are 5. Then it become the 26. 5 5s are 25. 1 remaining 15 3. Now this number 153. 6 and plus 3 it is become the 9. So we can divide it by the 3 also. What remaining it is? 5 5s are 30, 3 5s are 15 and 3 1s are 30. Then this number again can divide by the 3. So we can write it like this. This is 17 3s are. Then 17 is a prime number, 17 and 1. So like this we can write it. You can write first 5, 7 number anyone. Order it may be anyone. According to the fundamental arithmetic theorem, it says that the number it is the product of the prime number is unique. Whether the products are the different can be there. The factors can be different. You can write the 3 first, 17 first, like that you can write. But it will be like this only. So we can write 3 into 3 into 5 into 5 into 17. We can write it like this. 3 the power 2 into 5 the power 2 into 17. And that is the product of this one. Prime number. Again another number we can take first main, fourth one. It is written 505, 5005. So this number again it ends with the 5. So we can divide it by 5. So 5 1s are 5, 00 and 1. Next, this number can be divided by what number? So this number can be divided by the 2 number. It cannot be divided by 2. It cannot be divided by 3. It cannot be divided by the 5. It can divide by the 7. How I come to know? You will please visit to the previous video, divisibility test video. In that you will come to know what is the rule for the divisibility of the 7. Then 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So this is can divide by the 7. 7 1s are 7 means 1001. We divide it by the 7. What will come? 7 1s are 7. 3 remainder, taken down the 0. 7 4s are 28. Then again 2 and drop down 1. 3s are. So this become the 143. And this 143, this number is a special number that can divide only by the 13 and 11. So first we are writing 11. So it will come the 13. Then again we can write the 13. Then 1. So we can write the prime factor of this number 5005 is 5 into 7 into 11 into 13. This is the prime factors of this number. What are the factor? 5, 7, 11, 13. These are the numbers. Another number, last question of first main, in that it is given. If If you are understanding, please like, share, comment and subscribe the channel please. So another number given here, 7429. 7429. By what number it can divide? So this number is a prime number type it is. So it can directly it can divide by the 17 table. You can see that rule for the divisibility of the 17 in that. So 17 we dividing it. 7429 divide by the 17. 17 dividing, then what will come? 17 4 ja 68. Reminder 6 remaining. Drop down to, again it become the 3 ja 51. It will become the 1 and then drop down the 9. Then 7 ja 119. So 437. And this number also not, this is also a prime number of the product of the two prime numbers, which are that 19 and 23. So 19. So it will come the 23. Again it can divide by the 23. Then 1 will come. The prime factors of this number is 17 into 19 into 23. You are amazing that these numbers are prime numbers. If you want to learn more about that, please visit to another my channel, that is the Roni Tuitions competition exams. In that about the more prime numbers it is done videos. Next it is given the question number 2 given here, second main given, finding the HCF LCM of the numbers. So what is the HCF and what is the LCM first? So first we are reading HCF means what? HCF. HCF shows that highest common factor. Factor word given here. Highest common factor means the number, given number, that can be the highest number that can divide that given number. That is called the HCF. That is called the HCF. Suppose that I written the number 2 and 3. What number I can take? This both number can divisible by that number. Divisible by that number. This is the meaning of the HCF. Means if I take the 1, so 1 can divide the 2 also, 1 can divide the 3 also. If I suppose that taken the 2 taking, so 2 can divide the 2 but not the 3. So what is the meaning of HCF? Highest common factor. The given numbers are divisible by the biggest number. That total, there is no remainder at all. That is called the HCF. That is called the HCF in that. So HCF of the prime number, keep in a thumb rule, HCF of the co-prime numbers, two twin prime numbers are always 1. Always 1. So what is the 2? What is the factor of the 2 and 3? 1. What is the factor of HCF of 3 and 4? 1. What is the HCF of 4 and 5? It is 1. What is the HCF of 5 and 6? It is 1. It is, what is the factor of 7 and 9? It is the 1. The HCF. What is the 11 and 12? It is the 1. HCF is always 1. The two numbers are, together two numbers are. That is the HCF. Now another number coming, LCM. LCM. Full form is least. Least means smallest. Least common multiple. Here word given factor, here word given multiple. Multiple means what? The number, given numbers, that number divide the total of their multiples, then it is called the LCM. Suppose that I taken the 3 and 4. The LCM is 12, means this 12 is divisible by the 3 also, this 12 divisible by the 4 also. It can be 36 also. 36 also number is there, that can divide by the 3 also, that can divide by the 4 also. It can be 72 also. 72 also. It can be 104 also, 108 also. 108 also. Like that, but this is the least number, starting smallest number that is divisible by the given both number or 3 number, any numbers are given. That is called the LCM. That is called the LCM. HCM of the prime numbers. LCM of the prime number is always their multiples. Means product of that. Suppose that what is the LCM of 2 and 3? So 2 into 3 is equal to 6. It is a 6. What is the LCM of 5 and 7? 5 and 7. The LCM is 5 into 7 is equal to 35 LCM. What is the LCM of the 7 and suppose a 9? So it will become the 7 into 9 is equal to 63. HCF, LCM of this number. HCF what will become? HCF 1, 1 and 1. HCF is like this, it will become. Now according to that question given, find the HCF, LCM of this number and hence verify the relationship between HCF, LCM and the two numbers, only two numbers. So first What is the relationship? HCF into LCM is equal to A into B. A into B. What HCF you understand? LCM you understand? What is the meaning of A? A means any one number, first number. B means what? Any second number. Any number that is the second number. Suppose that I written two number I taken 3 and 4. So this is the A, this is the B. Now if I am finding the HCF of this number, already you know HCF of 3 and 4 is what? 1. LCM is what become? This is the HCF. And LCM what will become? Multiple of this means factor product of this 12. So what is that? LCM. So what is the things become? HCF 1 into LCM 12 is equal to what? A 3 into B 4. So 12 1 ja 12 is equal to what? 3 4 ja 12. This is the their relationship. So keep in mind, this is the formula to find the things in that. Now by this we can create the formulas. Another one also. What are that? HCF is equal to keep in mind, write a note. A into B, A first number, B first number, N1, N2, anyone can write by the LCM. LCM is equal to what become? A into B by HCF. Now A is equal to what become? HCF into LCM by B. B is equal to what become? H into L. H means highest common factor. HCF into LCM by, these are the formulas of created by this one. So this we are using in the second main question. What question says? We are reading by the textbook and we see that. Question written here. Find the LCM and HCF of the following pair of integer and verify that LCM into HCF is equal to product of the two numbers. Number given, second main, first one given, question given here. 26 and 91 26 and 91. First it is asking find the LCM, then HCF, then verification. So first we are finding the HCF by the prime factorization method, otherwise by the both at a time. So first we are finding the 26 and 91 like this. Like that another way also, 26 I can write the 2 into 13, 91 I can write the here 3 into 7 into 13. Like this. So HCF will become the what is the same in that? 13 is the common same. So HCF is 13. Like that here also. This is a one method to find that. This is also like this. I hope in previous classes there you read like this. So like this. So here 13 2 ja, 13 7 ja. Now this is the HCF become. The HCF means the number you are taking here. That should be divide the given all numbers. Whether 2 are there, 3 are there, 4 are there. In that not meaning, but all have to. 26 also should be divisible and the 91 also, next also. Suppose that I taken here 7. So 7 cannot divide the 26. So this cannot be HCF. It cannot be HCF. So that it is written 13. So HCF is equal to what we got? 13. HCF is equal to 13 we got. Now we are getting the LCM. LCM is equal to what? What are the number last up to the 1 have to come. So divide by the 2, 1, 7, again 7, 1, 1. Till that, for LCM purpose, till you have to go up to the 1 and 1 it comes. So what is the LCM? 13 into 2 into 7. 13 into 2 into 7. That are the LCM. Now we are finding the verification doing. So verification doing means H into L is equal to A into B. H means HCF. LCM is equal to A into B. HCF how much we got? 13. Into LCM how much we got? 13 into 2 into 7 is equal to A how much is there in that? 26. Into B how much is there in that? 91. If we multiply it, this we are multiplying the 13 into 13, it will become the 169 into 14 is equal to what? This number also, suppose that same written 26 into 91, because of it will come same only. If you are multiplying it, this number 14, let us erase this side after that. 169 into 14, multiplying it, 14 9 ja, okay, otherwise 4 9 ja 36, 3 carry, 4, 16 4 ja 64 plus 3, 64 plus 6, 67 into same number will come because of multiplied by 1, 6, 1 carry and the 13 and 1 carry, 2 3 6 6. 2366. So this one, it will come 2366. Then also it will be, this side also will come the 2366 only, it will come. Like that it is a verification will happen. All numbers, if multiply doing, then it will come the same only. If you multiplying it, then it will come the, this is HCF into LCM. Then it will come. Otherwise, it can be done like this also. One more time. The HCF into LCM is equal to A into B. HCF how much we got? 13. LCM how much we got? LCM we got 182. Means the 13 into 2 into 7. This was the LCM. Okay. 182 is equal to A how much is there? 26. Into B how much is there? 91. If you multiply this number, that is LCM. What is LCM? This number we multiply. This is the 182. This is. So this is the LCM of this number. So multiply doing equal comes, then it is called the verification. It becomes the verification of this one. Now we are going second question. Question number 2. Question number 2, it is given the numbers given 510 and 92. 510 and 92. This number. So first we are going to find the HCF. HCF. So what number it can divide? This is the even number. This also even number. So we can write that 2 divisible by the 2. So this will become the 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10 and 2 5s are 10. This one 2 4s are 8 and 2 6s are. This number cannot be divisible by the any number now. So this one HCF is equal to how much we got? 2. HCF is equal to what we got? 2 we got. Now we are getting the LCM. LCM purpose next continues. Continue doing, then it will come the same numbers. Okay, same number only will come. Because of this number not divisible by the, this number is divisible by the 23. Okay. This one, then this number also divisible by the different number, 5 also, like this. So this number only will come. HCF. LCM is equal to LCM. This number we can 255. Then it become 146. Again 46 taken, 1 and 1 taken. So LCM is equal to what become? LCM is equal to become that number 2 into 255 into 46 is equal to how much? If you multiply this number, then this 510 into 46, 510 into 46 is equal to 510, 10, 51 4 ja 23, 2230. So it will become the, let the multiply only, 2, 3 and 460. Because of last 0 is there, 0 will come. So this is the LCM. Now verification we are doing. So verification of this number is what will come? HCF into LCM is equal to A into B. Means HCF how much we got? 2. LCM how much we got? 23,460 is equal to A how much is there? 510. Into B how much is there? B is equal to 92. If we multiply this number, it will become the equal, and that is the verification. Another question given, question number 3 given it is, find the HCF, LCM and then verify that 336, 54. So first we are going to find the HCF. HCF of this number is divisible by the 2 because of both are the even number. So 2 1s are 2 6 are 12, 2 8s are 16. Then this one 27 will come. Again this number 7 plus 8 15, 3 it can come. So 3 5s are 15, 3 6 are 18. Again this 9s are. Now this number is 56 coming 7 table, this not coming. So these are the HCF. HCF is equal to become the 2 into 3 is equal to 6. LCM is equal to, directly we can write like this 56 also, and then 1 and 9. Again 9 can 1 and 1. So LCM is will become the 2 into 3 into 56 into 9. LCM is equal to how much become it is? If we multiply it, LCM become the 3024. Now verification it is asking. So verification HCF into LCM is equal to A into B. LCM how much we got? HCF got 6. LCM we got 3024 is equal to A how much is there? A is the 336 and B how much is there? B is the 54. If we multiply, it will become equal, and hence it is verification. Next it is third main question given. Question number 3 main given. Find the LCM and HCF of the following integers by applying the prime factorization method. We have to find the LCM and HCF for three digits, three numbers are there now. So we are writing that one. Again, keep in mind the thumb rule. The HCF of the prime numbers is always 1. The LCM of the prime numbers are their product. So here first one given, third main, first one given 12, 15, 21. What is the LCM and what is the HCF it is asking. So HCF first, this number are divisible by the 3 all. So 3 4 ja, 3 5 ja, 3 7 ja. This is the HCF. HCF is equal to 3. Now we are going to find the LCM. So LCM purpose what will come? These are the 4 writing 1 5 7. Again 5 writing 1 1 7. Then 7 writing 1 1 and 1. So what is the LCM? LCM is equal to 3 into 4 into 5 into 7. Now this number we multiply, then it becomes the 20. So 3 into 20 into 7. Now this we are multiplying, then it will become the 60 into 7. Then this number we multiply, then it becomes the 42 and 420. What is the LCM of this number? 420. This I shown you to just multiplying it. How to multiply faster, so that it is. So 420. LCM of this number is what? 420. Now second main, third main, second question. Question given here 17, 23 and 29. Now you can say by directly seeing these are the prime numbers. So HCF of the prime number is what? HCF of prime number is what? Always 1. So here 1. Now LCM we are finding. LCM is what? LCM is what? I said their product. Means it will become the 17 into 23 into 29 is equal to, if you multiply this number, then what the numbers comes, that is it's 11,339. This is the answer will come, means LCM of this number. Question number third what we asked? Third one, it is asked that 8 9 25. This number. Now this number also the prime numbers only. If this is not prime number, this is not the prime number. These are the co-composite numbers. So these are not coming in the same table. So HCF is equal to what become? HCF is equal to become 1. HCF. Now LCM is equal to what become? LCM is equal to, it become the 8 into 9 into 25. 25 at the 200 and 209 is equal to 1800. So LCM what become? 1800 it become. Now it is asked the fourth question, that is little important question. Fourth main asked that question. Given that HCF of, given that question written, given that HCF bracket kept 306, 657 bracket close is equal to 9. Find LCM. Find LCM of numbers, of the same numbers. Means HCF given, you have to find the LCM. So you know the formula. LCM is equal to A into B by HCF. I written HCF H into L is equal to A into B. This is the main formula. In that only LCM is equal to what? A into B by HCF. So LCM is equal to what will become? LCM is equal to A. What is the A number? 306 into B what? 657 by HCF how much given? 9. We can cancel this number by this 9 3s are 27 and 9 4s are 36. Now LCM is equal to 34 into 657 is equal to, that number is its LCM it is given. So it is given that 22,338. This is the LCM if you are multiplying them. So this is little important question for your purpose of examination, view of exam purpose. Now question number 5 it is given. Fifth main it is given that check whether 6 the power n, check whether 6 the power n can end with the digit 0, can end with digit 0, 0 digit comes or not comes. It is asked 0 digit come or not comes. This is asked in that. Now what is the rule to find that which number are end with the 0? Which number? The pi and the even number. Pi and the even number, if product doing of the pi and even number, then only 0 comes. Suppose that 2 and 5, it gives the 10, means 0 came last. 4 and 5, it gives the 5, ending digit 5 or even number, then it becomes the 20, 0 comes. Otherwise suppose that 8 into 25, it becomes the 200 I written. So this also, this 5 is there, this even number is there, means even number into the 5, then it gives the 0, then it comes a 0. So this number gives the 0 or not comes 0, we have to prove. Now 6 we can write in that. 6 we can write 2 into 3, 2 into 3 we can write it. We can write it. What is 2 into 3 in the power the n? Any number, n is any integer, any number, but to the power n, it can become the to the power n into 3 the power n. And here what we required? Pi. 2 to there, even number is there, but here what we required? Pi to get the 0. Is it pi? No, it is not the pi, it is the 3. So this number cannot be end with the 0. Okay, it should be the pi. The number can end with 0, end with 0 when it is in the form of to the power n into pi the power n. To the power n into pi the power n, then only it can end the 0, otherwise no. So this number cannot be end with the 0. Hence this number, it can not end with the 0. End with the 0. Because of here what is there? 3 is there. 3 not give the 0 in that. Next we are going another question number 6 main. 6th question going. Question given 6 here. Explain why 7 into 11 into 13 plus 13 and another number given 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 plus 5 are composite number. So what are the composite number? Composite number are those number which has the product to more than 2 factors. More than 2 factor 1 and itself is there, but another table also comes that are called the composite number. In that we can write in that 13 we can take the common, because of 13 here also is there, here also. So what remaining here? 7 into 11 plus 1 plus 1. So if this we can write 13 into this one 77, 11 7 is 77 plus 1. Then we can write 13 into 78, and 78 is a composite number because of this number comes in the another 2 table also comes. In the 2 table also comes, 13 table also comes, and so this we can write like this: 13 into 2 into 3 into 13. So this number are become the composite number. So that it is, we can say that this is a composite number. If we see this side, that side we see, this we can write in this side. So it has the more than 2 factor. Yes, it is a composite number. We can say it is a composite number. If we see that side, this number we can see, then in that we can take the 5 common. What remaining? 7 into 6 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 plus what? 1. So what become 5 into this, what we can write? In that we can write this is 42 into this we can write 24 plus 1. If we taking this one, then this also the composite number. If I add will this, then also it will be the composite number it will become. So this number also shows that it is a composite number. If you multiply this number plus add doing, then also it will come the composite number only. So this is the also composite number. If you write like this also, this you can write like this. The last question of this exercise. Last question of this exercise. There is a circular path around a sports field. It is a sports field is there, anyone like this sports field are there. Circular path is there where they are running, track type it is made like this. Sonia takes 18 minutes. Sonia is that one girl is there, that is Sonia, and she takes to make it round 18 minutes she takes 18 minutes to drive one round to the field, while Ravi takes 12 minutes. It is a Ravi how much time take? Ravi take 12 minutes to complete it to one round. minute for the same. Suppose they both started from the same point at the same time and go in the same direction, after how many minutes will they meet again at the sports point starting point? So we have to means it says that okay, how much time after how much round making they are meeting at a time. So we are finding the LCM of this number. So LCM 18 and 12. LCM of this number finding. So what will become? This number is divisible by the 3. So 3 6 ja and 3 4 ja. Again we can write the 2 also. 3 and 2. Again by the 3. So 1 and 1 2. Then again 2. Then 1 and 1. So what is the LCM become? 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. 4 into 9 is equal to 36 minutes. After the 36 minutes, they both will meet at a time. If you like the video, you understand it, then please like, share, comment which video you want. The wanted video, your exercise question, particular exercise, you can comment. That video will be uploaded and provided to you. Thank you for have a nice day. Next.